Are you playing RuneScape?
No.
What is he doing?
Cheating.
That's not cheating.
It is cheating.
Okay, tell me how can it be cheating?
No comment.
Exactly.
It's cheating.
What I'm doing is that this cable goes to my computer, so my computer has Wi-Fi connection over 3G, and then I use that to screen share or whatever, like remote control it from my phone. So then I'm at Nightmare Zone and I can AFK, so I only have to click like once every 15 to 20 minutes.
So you're gaining while on the run?
Yes.
Nice.
On the run.
No XP waste. Today we're going to Poland and Berlin, well, Germany, 2 gigs, and then got my friends with me. Hey! We already reserved the toilet seats for Olav.
Okay, we can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django. We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop,
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Alright, we just arrived here in Berlin. Now it's time for gig.
Okay! Yeah!
Mikkel sa det tidligere, men fy faen så hyggelig å bli invitert på tur. Skål for han. Jævlig.
Ja, jeg tror så unnskyld for at jeg måtte reschedule showet som 5 ganger.
Det er nok en stor del av grunnen til at ting går så bra.
So your friends are drunk.
I know.
Oh, let me help you. Let me help you. Here you go.
Thanks. Alright, that was Berlin, incredible crowd. I'm so happy we finally got to do it after rescheduling. And now it's chill time or party time, I don't know. We have pizza. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
So ready for the next show.
How are you?
Very good. Was very much alive yesterday. Yeah. So Jace, when he gets drunk, he kind of yeah. Is that the dance? He had too much fun, and some of the fun had to come out. That's basically what happened. But he dances like this.
We are just last. I had to reboot.
Hello? You wanna play bowling?
Alright, we're about to do some warm-up. We're gonna do some in-flight bowling. We got the balls, we got the pins down there. So let's see if this works. They've prepared toilets everywhere.
Yeah.
You gotta pee, you're covered.
Toilet.
So far today, we've been bowling 25,000 feet up in the air, and now we're down on ground again.
I think they are kicked out from here.
Det var jo han serverte pizzaen imens Andreas kastet ball over på andre banen.
All the balls are going in, but not out. It's like David Copperfield is like...
So, we're doing promo now. And all the other guys are minding their own business. But we'll meet them again later for dinner. But for now, we're gonna go do something. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Meet and greet.
Okay, this is a small meet and greet. This is only 500 people. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, so we're coming to the show tonight.
All right, perfect, awesome. You're welcome.
So thanks. Bye. See ya.
See you guys. Bye.
How many people are there?
More than 500.
More than 500?
Maybe around 5, maybe.
Det var det høye folk. Det var så mange folk. We're here in Poznan and we're having a huge meet and greet. There's hundreds of people. Hello. Everybody say hello to the vlog.
Hello, hello.
Hey. Well, my name is Alan Walker. It's a true honor to be here, and I don't know if you guys fully understand me, but yeah, this is awesome. This is the first time I've ever done a meetup like this, so I'm truly thankful to each and everyone that's out there and that's also coming to the concert, and I'm super happy that we finally got to do this concert, so thank you.
I love it so much. I'm a DJ too. I love you.
Can you even kiss with your mask on?
No.
Wow.
Handmade.
It's handmade. Nice. That's really, really cool. Thank you guys so much for coming out here today. Unfortunately, I have to go, but I must say it's a true honor to be back here in Poland and Poznan. Other than that, have a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much. That was cool. No,
there we go.
We're done.
Let's go.
Maybe this one's silver one. Okay.
Yes!
Can you say, I'm not gonna get drunk today?
I'm not gonna get drunk today. Oh, I'm not gonna get drunk today, Andreas.
Okay, nice.
Oh, interesting.
Then you just skip the part where he gets drunk.
Nei, jeg kom deg ut av toalettet. Det var sånn skyvedør. Jeg bare lukket den, bare sånn at vi ikke skulle høre at jeg pisset. Og så fikk ikke døren opp. Han trodde jeg køddet. Jeg låste ikke døren en gang. Man måtte ringe resepsjonen, så kom noen opp.
Er det sant?
Ja.
I'm Alan Walker. I play in 1 hour. Please open door.
Hun ringte og bare sånn der, hello, my boyfriend is sucking. We've got Poznan, Poland coming up, and it's sold out. Jonas Aiden has been killing it today, and really excited. This show is like 8,300 people, sold out, and it's gonna be incredible. It's gonna be super fun, and later on I'll be bringing up my friends to do the crowd control. So it should be pretty awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and enjoy this recap of the Poznan Poland show. Welcome, and please excuse my friends having extra fun.
We had fun too.
That was amazing, wow.
I have also something for you. This is a book handmade and with every year.
What?
So,
Every
and
year?
my photos. Yeah.
What?
This is all the Vikings alphabet.
Wow.
Yeah.
And those are all the photos you've taken?
Yeah.
So the photos from Norway is there as well?
Yeah.
Ah, sweet.
This is from Norway, for example. This is from Serbia.
So yeah, you've been
this
you've
is
been
from
everywhere.
Wrocław, and this is from your concert in London a year ago.
Yeah, nice.
I'm shaking. Oh my god. Thank you so much. You're shaking too. Yes. Thank you. Oh my god.